Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hafiz Shazwan, your flashlight review for today. There's long time I am not making any video, and today I will share my everyday carry flashlight that I think it is convenient to bring with you whether on vacation or office carry. So let me start. What am I having today is the OLIGHT I3T EOS in Desert Tan. It comes with other color variants that might attract you to get one of these. So let's open up the box first. Bonus time. If you like to keep the box in a good condition like me, I prefer to open it from bottom so that it can be always looks like new. As you can see in the box, you will get the flashlight and a user manual. That is all. Let's go fastly through the manual. It can emit 180 lumens on highest output level and 5 lumens for the lowest mode. It also has 1.5 meter drop impact and IPX8 waterproof rating. IPX8 protected against continuous submersion over 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. If you want to read it more clearly, feel free to pause at this video. As you can see on the body, it has nice design style with swirl at the middle of the body to give you more grip when using it, just like this. The two-way clip also is very convenient. Either you want to carry it in pocket or clip it on your cap or head as hands-free headlamp. For me, I keep bringing my leather caddy and did carry the I3T in it along with my multi-tool and open mini. Let me show you. So here is my caddy, leather caddy, and then I put it on the flashlight section. So I got my flashlight, my multi-tool, and my open mini. So I bring this along every time when I go out, and it is comfortable in my pocket. As I just mentioned at the beginning, it comes with various body color, and some of them may hard to find this day unless you are struggling to find them in secondary market but with high price tag. So in my hand here is Desert Tan, most likely a chocolate color. Then what we got inside, we remove the insulating film first. We got a standard 1.5 volt AAA battery, AAA battery, and it was already installed inside the flashlight when you buy it. And don't forget to remove the insulating film that I shown you just now. If you want to try a 3.7 volt lithium battery, use it at your own risk, and it may void your warranty for sure. So I suggest you not using the 3.7 volt because you can void your warranty and you might get problem on that to buy a new flashlight. If you have so much money, then why not you try it for yourself. And then I think that's all for the specification on it, and I show you the beam performance here for the lowest and highest before we go to the outside for real test field. So this is a 5 lumen on low mode. Let me shut down the light first. Okay, so this is the 5 lumen. As you can see, it is just nice enough to see the nearest stuff around you. Maybe you need to find something during at the midnight, when you wake up suddenly in the middle of midnight, and then you need to find something without blinding your eyes. And then this is the highest, 180. You can see, very bright, so you can see the hot spots there. The light it's not kind of floody, but it's just nice for this big hotspot here. So it just like maybe 30 to 50% of floody beam. Okay, I think we bring this outside and see how it does. Let's go. So you can see I'm outside of my house. There's my neighbor. Okay, now I will show you the performance of this I3T beam shot for real field test. So we start from the lowest mode, 5 lumen. So this is the 5 lumen. So you can see I can see clearly for the short distance on 5 lumen at my car. So let me standing apart. So that is about 5 to 6 meter. So it's very clearly can see already, but not so bright. Okay, my neighbor house besides there. Now we move to 180 lumen. This is 180 lumen. You can see it is more brighter. See that? It's very bright. Sorry, I'm not having so much space since I live in a very packed neighborhood, so my house also very small. So again, just the 5 lumen and then 180. Yeah, you can see very bright. I think that's all for this real field test. Thank you.